Snipe hinges, sometimes referred to as cotter pin hinges, are one of the earliest styles of hinges used in American furniture, and they consist of nothing more than two interlocking pieces of metal. Although you can find manufactured snipe hinges online, it's just as easy to make yourself. You just start with 3/16 rod and 1/8" rod, which you can find at any hardware store, and here's how you do it. Begin by cutting two pieces of 1/8" steel rod to 3½ inches length. Your dimensions might be different depending on your project. Now use a propane torch to heat the ends of both rods to a bright red color. Shape the ends of the rods into flat points by hammering into a metal surface. To make the eyes, heat the center of each rod and bend it around a separate length of 3/16 rod. You can use pliers to help bend the rod around and then finish up with a metal vise. Now just warm the metal a bit. And dip it into a jar of tung oil for a deep black patina. Now when it comes to mounting the hinges, we're going to need to drill two holes, one in the top and one in the base. We're going to take them one hole at a time though. I begin by drilling a 45-degree hole in the lid. And then carefully seat the first half of my hinge. Now I can mark for the second hinge half and drill the mating hole. Lock the hinges together . And drive the second hinge half into its hole. The final step is to clinch the ends shut. So I'll repeat the procedure to the inside and we'll have two functioning hinges.